Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So of course, we had to skip the midweek analysis for this week due to the news that we are having on this current week. Yesterday, Wednesday, we had of course the federal funds rate and the FOMC statement, which actually has hit in the dollar. And as you can see, it actually caused the dollar itself to crash. And yesterday, the EURUSD rose for about 112 pips in just less than a few minutes, due, of course, to the news. Even the USD CAD here crashed. However, I just want to highlight that my signals were actually going right in the correct prediction. Pound USD was running in 85 pips of profit before the news hit the market. AUD USD also was going well in the profit. It was actually close to hit the take profit level with 57 pips of profit. USD CAD also was running in a good profit of about 57 pips, and so on. We can see that many of the signals were going in the right direction before the news hit the market. However, it's important to remind you, my friends, that today also we're having a lot of news. As you can see, we are having the SNB policy rate for the CHF. We have also the monetary policy summary for the pound, monetary policy statement for the euro, and lately the core retail sales for the USD. So I believe all of us here are professional traders, and we are all aware about how important these news are on the market. So therefore, be sure to close all your positions before 1:30 p.m. GMT time, before the core retail news hit the market and also the unemployment claims. So again, guys, I couldn't actually skip today's video, but however, we all have to be careful about how these news are affecting the market. And also I will update everyone on the free group of Telegram to be aware about these news right before they hit the market, just like what I did yesterday here. I said here on my free group of Telegram, I told everyone to be aware about the FOMC statement before it hit the market, just 5 minutes before this happens. EURUCAD, the deal of the day, was actually going in 28 pips of profit. However, let's take a look at the EURUCAD. How did the signal do? So this is the EURUCAD deal. Look at that. That's amazing. That's fantastic. The reversal has happened exactly where I have told you to buy the pair. And I think this was a really sharp and sniper entry with zero drawdown. And as a result, the market actually rose for about total of 88 pips and currently 64 pips. Congratulations for everyone who have taken this signal. And if you guys have did that, please let us know in the comments what do you think about it and if you have made any profits with it. Anyway, let's now begin with the late week analysis, and let's start with the Euro USD. So what can we expect next with this pair? Let me just now delete the entire old signal. So as we can see right now, the Euro USD based on the daily chart has made a very strong bullish movement right now, and even the new candle which has appeared just like 4 hours ago is still bullish and went in 30 pips so far. Now, can we expect a pullback? The answer is absolutely yes. Right now, the Euro USD is actually facing right here a resistance level exactly right there at 1.09115. We can expect a pullback actually to happen if the market make an impact, a reaction to this level and fell down all the way right here. However, based on the daily chart, I would highly recommend to buy the EURUSD exactly at this level of a previous support, exactly right here at 1.08789. For one simple reason. First of all, if we check the support trend line, we can see that we're having here, of course, a key support trend line based on the 4-hour time frame. It has actually, of course, being ignored as a resistance trend line due to the news and the weakness of the dollar itself. So therefore, we can expect a pullback to happen, and then this level of a key support exactly at 1.08789 plus the support trend line right here will most likely gonna be respected, and the EURUSD will continue the rise toward the resistance right here at 1.09925. It's also important to remember that there is a possibility for actually a drawdown to happen. Therefore, we can expect a drawdown till the market reach this support right here exactly at 1.08521, because right here actually, guys, is the real level of a key support. As we can see, this level of course cannot be ignored, exactly this level. So there is a possibility for the market to fall all the way right here for a correction, and then it will continue the rise against the direction of the, what am I saying? Anyway, expected drawdown for about 24 pips and total safe zone of about 48 pips. However, the take profit level will be actually right here at the highest level of a nearest resistance at 1.09628, aiming not less than 85 pips of profit. Moving now to the pound USD. Guys, I will go fast through these pairs because the video should not be long. We have wasted more than 6 minutes right now on the Euro USD. So let me now delete the old signal for the pound USD, and let me just tell you that we can actually buy this pair exactly right here at this level of a support at 1.26164. The reason, of course, is that the market has made right here a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, as you can see, and now most likely this pair will continue the rise till it reaches this level of a resistance. Let me just tell you something. The normal behavior of the market, my friends, when it breaks out from a resistance trend line like that, most likely when after the breakout happens, the market will continue the rise all the way till it reaches the key resistance right here where the resistance trend line has begun. So therefore, as you can see, we're having here the resistance trend line, which actually has been broken out from, and therefore right now the pound USD most likely will continue the rise till it reaches this level of a resistance, and after that it will start the fall, and most likely we will witness a double top pattern on the pound USD. But until then, let's continue buying this pair. Therefore, I would highly recommend to buy this pair exactly right there at 1.26147 after it falls to another 30 pips, and take profit level will be actually at the highest level of a resistance and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a key support at 1.25754. Therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for 40 pips only against 100 pips of profit. Moving now to the AUD USD. Alright, so as you can see, guys, the AUD USD has indeed made a bullish breakout from the long-term resistance at, not here actually, at here, at 0.66759. Now, let's see what we can do next with this pair, moving to the daily chart. So as you can see, the market right now is actually on a resistance level. So there is a possibility for a pullback to happen. However, we will consider buying the AUD USD at the nearest level of a previous support. So moving right now to the 4-hour time frame, let's look at the left side to identify the nearest level of a support. Now, as you can see right here, if we look carefully, where we do actually have right here exactly right there at 0.66702. That was, of course, my friends, the real level of the support, and we had several fake breakouts from this level. Now, how do we know that this is the real level indeed? I mean, look at the reactions of the market on this level. This has always been a real level of a resistance. It became here also, of course, a key support, and then lately it became right here also a real level of a resistance multiple times. However, if we combine this now with the support trend lines, check this out. What I will do right here is actually we're having here a support trend line, and check this out. Almost exactly just like that. So now we can see that this level of a support trend line has been respected as a resistance trend line, but only for once. So those those two attempts of support trend line most likely are going to be respected if the market falls away all the way right here. First of all, it will be retesting the broken level of a resistance as 0.66702, plus it will be respecting this level of real support trend line. Therefore, let's wait for the AUD USD to fall to another 42 pips until we can have the perfect entry. However, based on the daily chart, let's now determine our take profit level, which will be, of course, right here at the highest level of a key resistance, exactly right there, as 0.67885, aiming not less than 116 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the key support right here as 0.66213, ranging for about 48 pips only. Moving now to the USD CAD. By the way, my friends, I'm doing this video right here at 6:36 a.m. morning time. So of course, I would highly appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as appreciation for this hard work I'm doing to my followers and subscribers and everyone who is watching this channel right now. And thank you guys for your timing and for watching these videos. Let's now delete the old signal for the USD CAD, and let's see now what we can do next with this pair. Now, it's important to understand that the USD CAD has actually made a bearish breakout from this level of a support trend line based on the daily chart. So as you can see, this was support trend line and the bearish breakout has just happened. So now we have to consider selling the USD CAD, of course, upon the weakness of the USD dollar. Now, by looking at the left side, we can see clearly that we had right here also a previous level of a real resistance at 1.35140. Now, if we look right here also, we can notice that the pair most likely will continue the rise till it reach this level of a previous resistance, plus it will be respecting or actually retesting the level of a support trend line to create, of course, a new resistance trend line. I will be honest with you, that might be happening by tomorrow, not today. Since now we are talking about daily candles, so most likely we will be waiting for the next candle to rise again right here and retest the broken level of the support trend line. So therefore, let's just highlight that we have to wait for the USD CAD to rise for another 40 pips before we can continue selling it. However, if that happens, we will actually be aiming the lowest level of a real support at 1.34233, aiming not less than 90 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't also be ranging higher than the previous level of a key support right here at 1.35503, ranging for about 36 pips only. Moving now to the USDCHF. USDCHF actually didn't work in the first place, even with the Saturday analysis. So therefore, as you can see, on Monday, actually it started the fall below our buy entry and has already exceeded the safe zone. So now, what can we expect next with the USDCHF? For a starter, USDCHF is currently on a support level, on actually a strong key support zone. However, we can expect a pullback to happen, but however, the USDCHF will most likely gonna continue the fall due, of course, to the breakout happened right here from that level of a support trend line. And also, as we can see, the market is moving in a strong bearish trend, and this downtrend will continue the fall at least to reach the bottom of that support. So therefore, our take profit level for a starter will be right here, of course, at the absolutely lowest level of the support at 0.85546. Now let's talk about our entry. So by moving to the 4-hour time frame, we are having here, of course, a broken level of a real support, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the left side and take a look actually at this level of the support if it was a strong level of a resistance in the past. By looking at the left side, as you can see, indeed, look at that. This was, of course, the nearest level of a resistance to the broken level of a real support. Therefore, let's consider selling the USDCHF exactly at that level. So I have actually corrected the line, and now we can consider selling the USDCHF after it makes a pullback for about 38 pips. And again, our take profit level has already been determined to be right here at the lowest level of a support, exactly right here at 0.85642, aiming not less than 153 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance at 0.87788, ranging for about 55 pips only. Moving now to the NZD USD. Alright, so NZD USD, of course, didn't work as well due to the news what happened yesterday. Let's now move to the daily chart and identify our next trade. So what we can see right here is, of course, a real level of a resistance. So meaning now we can expect a pullback to happen, and we will consider buying the NZD USD as soon as possible because the pair is right now ranging on a resistance level. However, it still has actually made a strong bullish breakout from the long-term resistance right here at 0.62073. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. So of course, this was the real level of a resistance which has been broken out from. Let's now take a look at the left side to confirm if there was actually a real level of a support. Check this out. So right here, I have to correct my entry to be exactly right here. That, in my opinion, is going to be the best entry possible for the NZD USD. Right here, of course, it was a real level of a support which has been respected repeatedly in the past. And if I continue looking for the left side, I'm sure I will find a long attempts of a resistance and support on this level at 0.61923. Check this out. So right here, it was also a real level of a resistance, and right here also a support. And continue looking to the left side. check this out. That is amazing. That is amazing. Look at that. That was, of course, indeed a strong real level of a support. So that was indeed a key support as well. And look at that, even right here in the past, guys, this level can never be ignored. I mean, even right here, we can notice that this was the real level of the support, and right here, the fake breakout from that area. However, that means that we cannot escape, we cannot skip 0.61923. So we will consider buying the NZD USD after it fall to another 44 pips. And also, if I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, right here, of course, we can see that we're having also a real level of a support trend line, as you can see, which has already become as a resistance trend line for once. And now if the market will continue the fall, it will be first of all retesting the broken level of a resistance, and also it will be respecting the same level of a real support trend line, and after that it will continue the rise. Perfect. That's really a good entry, and I totally like it. However, for the take profit level, it will be, of course, at the highest level of a nearest key resistance, exactly right here exactly, as 0.63005, aiming not less than 107 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a key support, as 0.61503, ranging for about 42 pips only. And finally, we will move to the gold, but unfortunately, I will not be able to give you any signal about the gold because I have to wait to see what will gonna happen. Actually, my friends, yesterday night, I was considering to send you a signal to sell the gold exactly right here at this level of a resistance at 2034.50. However, the market has already approached that level of a resistance. So now we have to wait. Actually, we might actually give you a signal to buy the gold exactly at this level of a support. But my problem here is the big price action, and the price action also on the weekly chart, which indicates a strong bearish movement. So we have to wait for the gold to show us more price action and more candles until we decide what we will do next with this pair. So therefore, most likely, I will send a deal of the day to trade the gold, but it's not gonna be on this video. Of course, it will be on another video which will be posted by tonight or tomorrow morning, Friday. So until then, my friends, I wish everyone a safe trading, and again, be extra cautious about the news which will hit the market today and even tomorrow as well. So these are the news, of course, that are waiting for us for today and also tomorrow, Friday. Oh, sorry, this is Friday, sorry. These are the news for Thursday today. Core retail sales, unemployment claims, S&P, I mean, you name it. And then on Friday, we're having also the flash services, which will hit many pairs, including the dollar itself. So again, let's be careful and wise about our trades and our decisions. And therefore, I decided to send you another deal of the day for the gold, but after confirming some price actions and the direction of it to be determined. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.